All right, so getting ready for the day. Um, how did we trade yesterday? We look at um, we had a big up, big down. So the trading range. But what's interesting is the fact that, um, and I see this really interesting, is the fact that we went up, tested some sort of resistance up here, and we started a bear trend. And we have a bear leg here, and you can see the bull leg got only as far as this high. So that tells me that this is going to probably get a second leg down, and we should try and test this area. Now, if I look at the tick chart, um, based on that same idea, the fact that we have, like I said, a bear trend, and it looks like a wedge. You have a down, an up, a down that's losing momentum, an up that's a bit weak, but you should, I don't know. Anyway, I was going to say you should get some strong buying pressure, but it doesn't matter. Um, and then now we're getting this leg down, but it's not as strong. Or at least it doesn't look as strong. That doesn't mean we can't sell off here. Maybe we come up, this becomes a two-legged correction, and then we get the final leg down. In any case, it could also do this, where we have these two legs. This is the first leg up. We also broke this trend line here. It's not drawn in. Um, so, come on. And so therefore, it could be a higher low double bottom, maybe like a head and shoulders. And therefore we rally. But the open will tell us who's in control. Um, and then I kind of make my decisions based around who I think is in control. So yesterday it looked like the Bulls were in control, but the problem is they just couldn't get as high as this swing high. And because they couldn't do that, obviously the Bears pounced on that and yeah, took out this low. And so it's the Bears are still in control because their swings haven't been taken out. This is the main one. But the thing that tells me that the Bulls are still have strength is this break of a trend line. So, like I said, I'm anticipating a gap down. Um, I mean, we're already gapping down, as I said we would gap down. Hey, I got something right. So right now the price is here. So we're gapping below the MA, and whenever we gap down below the MA, I'm usually looking for a wedge or a double bottom, double top, or wedge top, wedge bottom. If we don't get that, then I look for a sell-off. If we don't get that, then I look for a strong rally. I don't know what's likely, um, so I have to wait to see how we open, and then from there we'll be able to make the decision. Market opens in just over 5 minutes. Again, today I'm feeling a bit anxious. I don't know why. I'm a bit tired. I think also because I have some other things that are on my mind, sort of outside trading, that are sort of getting to me. Oh, I just noticed something. We have a wedge forming here. One, two. So I'm just going to mark that. Yeah, we have a wedge here. So we might get if we get a nice sell-off down here, I will be looking to buy. Because this level here, if we change the charts so I can mark it on here, that's below yesterday's low. So it will be a nice test of yesterday's low. And a test of yesterday's low is always a good buy when you have a two-sided market. So yeah, I think that might be the higher probability trade. Um, buying a nice setup at yesterday's low. All right, so I'm going to pause this and then start recording when the market opens. Okay, I just noticed something. So this bull leg is very close. They nearly got their target here. Although this target is a measured move of this range. So this range here, well, it's almost a measured move. Anyway, doesn't matter. Um, All right, so I'm just gonna leave this running. We have 1 more minute to the market opening, and like I said, a gap down, and then we'll see what happens. This is distracting. Just take it out. The things that distract me, I usually remove. I'm only putting this in because I just need it to remind me that we broke the trend line. Excuse me. And there's a wedge here, possibly. One, pullback. Two, pullback. Three. But you could also say that the wedge is here. One, two, three. Double bottom could rally. So this could be the beginning of the wedge. One, two, three. All right, market's just opened. Let's see if we do get that sell-off. I turned off the music in the background because I think it was distracting me. I'm going to try my best to talk through the bars today because I realized yesterday I was just quiet, but it's difficult to talk and trade at the same time. But like I said, I'm recording this also for my own benefit. All right, so we're opening in the middle of the range. It's never a good idea to take trades in the middle unless you're going to use a crazy wide stop. I'm anticipating price testing this low, but I want to see how we start moving there. If we start printing massive, like a massive pair of bars, bear bars, then it would make me think we are probably going to break this moving average. Essentially, if we start off with a huge breakout, what I need to remember, and I need to check this in sort of back testing, is when we've trended strongly from this sort of price action. I haven't seen it in a while, so I can't really say because this tells me they're bulls in the market. So it's never ever clear. All right. So anyway, and this is why I like using the 5 minute chart because it gives me enough time to think through what is probably happening. I remember I said that we may have a double bottom. See, the thing is, you can always see whatever you want to see. This could be the wedge, 1, 2, 3, and therefore this could be a high or low double bottom, and therefore we could rally strongly. But it's never clear until we get to the moving average, and so I'm waiting to see what happens when we get to the MA. If we do get to the MA, I also want to see what happens when this bar closes. But the fact that we did this, then we did this and didn't take this out, and then we're opening here and we haven't tested this low, kind of makes it a bit, it's difficult to now enter anything. So you just have to wait. All right, so 2 minutes in, and we already have, almost 3 minutes, but we have a very strong bull bar. So 3 minute traders might be looking to go long. This is what I love about price action, because price is fractal on all the time frames. What may look bullish to you will look bearish on a different time frame. And traders on both time frames will make money because they will structure their trades based around how they see the price moving. And so that's why it's best to just make decisions on one time frame. The problem I have, and this is still a challenge, is that I'm using two different time frames. One is a 6,000 tick chart, and the other one is a 5 minute chart. And the problem with that is sometimes they are in conflict with each other, and that makes it difficult. So why don't I just get rid of the tick chart? The reason why I do like the tick chart is because of the channels, and the pre-market action is a lot cleaner and clearer relative to what's going on. And then I can always see like what is going on based on how we've traded here, how we've traded here, how we've traded here, within here and here. So it just makes it easier. All right, what do we got? We're 4 minutes in, and we have some strong bull bars here. So I don't think we're going to get a bear trend, at least not a strong bear trend. It's still a two-sided market. Okay. The reason why I didn't do this yesterday is because now my real estate is smaller, so I can't really see very much. I like to see everything, you know, but I'm finding that switching between two is difficult. What I could probably do is just duplicate this and put this on the other screen. I don't like my bars being too big. Yeah, I think it's safe to buy above one. Um, but you need to stop really wide. Oh, this is tough. Trading with a small screen. Excuse me. I mean, my screen, I have four screens, but I traded only two of them. And I put the tick charts on one screen, as in the ETA chart on one screen, and then this on the other. All right. I can't decide whether I want to be a bull or a bear here. And I don't know if that's because one may have a bias. I don't know. I don't want to say I have a bias, but it's the middle of the range, and it's a bear leg. I mean, we did break the trend line. It could be a higher low, major trend reversal. So it's not very clear. So I'm just gonna wait. One thing can happen though. We could wedge to the moving average, and if we do wedge to the moving average, then that's a sell. So I find that it's easier to make decisions based on what's happening here, and then I just use this to just kind of get a sense of what's going on. I don't make decisions purely on what's happening here. Um, and I think it's because even though this, I found this actually sometimes gives me better entries. This gives me better entries. It's just that I'm so much better reading the 5 minute. The problem is I can't get good entries. So like you see what happened here. Here was so you had a double top on a wedge, so it was easier to just sell here. The sell is here on this chart. Okay, bar two, bear bar, but it has a tail above. Ah, did we go below two? We did. Huh. Ha! It's short already. I don't like that trade to go short. I mean, look at the tails. See, the bulls bought it. They bought 50%. So they scalped for about 5 points. I mean, there's a 10 point range. They bought 50%, so scalp 5 points. Well, either way, this is not going up very far. All right, let me focus. Wait, looking to short wedge top or double top, I think. Yeah, me too. Oh no, that is a breakout. Well, not a breakout yet, but broke this trend line. Normally we'll pull back, but uh-oh. I don't have enough information to go long. Like you have the 240 here. I don't know. I just if I were going to go long, I should have gone long here by now, but I don't have enough info. And it's at the it's in the middle of a trading range. Yeah, I can't go long. What was he saying? Back at the top of the range, didn't make it all the way to the top before reversing. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. This is disappointing. see a wedge. One, two. Let me ask him if he's looking at the tick chart. NQ, what's NQ doing? Not that I care about NQ. Just trading view. I see. Same price action. Let me check some other things that are happening right now. Yes, okay. Said he got out. Totally is. LOME's limit order market. It is a limit order market. That's another reason why I'm not in this. I'm not ready to scalp, because if I were to scalp, I would have sold this high, sold this book big bull bar, gotten out somewhere. But look, it's not breaking the lows the way I'd like. You have, yeah, this is TR price action, man. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till we get to the 20. Actually, no, not really. I don't really have that great bars. Okay, let's just wait. The way this is going, we are going to get to the 20. Yeah, I think Justin got out too early. And the reason why I'm saying that is, even if I saw this bar as disappointing, the bears are not. They don't look like they're not doing this, right? Um, they're doing a lot of this, but the price action is going towards a 20. So this is a bull leg, and therefore getting in early. Let's say you bought this low or you bought here. You could bet on the fact that we're going to get to the 20, so you can scalp that. Um, I'm not going to do that because that's just not the trade I want. Yeah, if I had to be, wait, always. If I had to be in a trade, I'll always be in long. Like, sorry, not always. Sorry, the market is always in long. So I would, I would bet on us touching the 20. But it's just not even now. If I were a bear, well, I don't know if I'm a bear or a bull, but if I were a bear right now, I'm not seeing I'm not seeing some really good bearish price action. So whenever you're in the market, and things are not clear, it means you're in a trading range because everybody's confused like this. So everyone starts to scalp. The bars don't move anywhere. There we go. This is looking strong. Yeah, this is looking good for bulls. I think we're gonna break out. Sorry, I'm looking at my friend's message. You're Yeah, I think this is not looking. That's all good because we now have three bull bars. Although we have a tail, but this is a breakout for me. Let me have a look at the tick chart, and but I mean it doesn't matter because we'll always, if we're going higher, we'll there's going to be an opportunity. I just don't want to go long and then find out that, hey, there's now a big massive bear bar here, and I'm like, ah, damn it. Then I now have to try and get out. Like, it's just not how I want to trade this. All right, so let's look even closer. What is going on here? We have a leg down, a pullback. In fact, let's look at the 20K. Yeah, look at this. A leg down, a pullback, another leg down, a pullback, and now we're forming a correction. I don't think this thing is. You have a wedge. Yeah, I think wedge top forming. Yeah, it's the way it looks. It just does not. Rejecting the 9. Yeah, it will. But it's the price action. This is not a breakout. This is this. So we're trying to get this. Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3 wedge. I want to go short. So let me just go.
Order submitted.
Get this ready. Oh man, really? Ah, this is the problem I have with a 5-minute chart. Patrick is short again. He went short on the 2K. This is why I hate the 5 minutes so much. Is the fact that you could get this shit and it's happening again. I can't take this.
Order canceled.
Oh shoot! Oh, there it is. Sorry, I just saw something. There we go.
Order
Now
filled.
why did I go short? Because I saw there was a good signal there. All right, all right. So let me share this with everyone in the chat. That was what I was looking for. It was just damn it. Now the question is, will we? How far down are we gonna go? Because that was could have gone earlier. It's all good. Yeah, because now this is support. Mm. This might be a short trade. This might just be a scalp. This is my issue. Are we going to get as far as I want us to go? you know, they're going to buy it out. Ah, damn, damn, damn. You see, I don't like it when I see big bars like that. Bear trap. I should have waited. We got out 10 points. Lucky you. You got in early. All right, let's see what happens here. Because of the buying that started here, this area is not a great place. Really, this was the best place to sell, but I didn't have the confirmation, and the confirmation came here, but I got distracted. And yeah, we haven't taken this low out, so there's probably still some more down. Oh well. Why I put my stop here? Just in case we pull back, I'll sell again and get our break even. Damn, 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 damn. I want 20 points. And they're already pulling back and it's close to where I entered, so I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, 50% pullback. I thought about that. Uh, I could go for 10 points with two contracts, but it's not how I want to trade this because I'd rather do 10 contracts in this direction. So what I'm thinking of doing is going for 10 points here, and then I'll go for 10 points on my neck on another trade because I'm not feeling too bad. But they need to sell this because yeah, this is a weak breakout. This probably means we're not going to get too far down. I don't know. I'm confused. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm going to probably exit this trade because it's not what I want. So we have this nice breakout, but you see how we had a breakout here. I mean, it's weak here, but I want to see what happens here. It's too distracted. That's sometimes that happens whenever I'm looking at Discord and I'm talking. I just get distracted, and then I'm like, damn, I missed my forgot to focus. So this is why I don't like doing recordings, because and I wonder how people do it when they record, because I'm like, I can't. It's just I need to focus. I need to read this. I need to read that. I need to, so many things happening. Damn, didn't think about that. All right, so we have a tail. I really want to get at least 10 points on this. At least 10. Oh man. Okay. No stress, no worries. It's so important that you do not beat yourself up when you're trading. So important. Because that negative energy can destroy your confidence. And sometimes when I find that I've gotten into a trade that's not working out, just get out. Wait for the next opportunity. You don't think well when you are when you're stressed, So what happens if we get a bull bar? I'll probably get out above it. I don't know. Let's see. We might get a wedge. It's not sell to close. I probably got in too early. I probably should have waited. The entry wasn't good. That was the entry here. Someone said something about what? Some news in 40 seconds, bar 7. Is it bar 7 yet? 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Well, we'll see. Here we go. That bar is usually crazy. There it is. It comes out, it starts to do weird things. Yeah. Mm, not good. It's not what I want to see. Yeah, it's not what I want to see. So basically what this means is I have to sell higher. Ah, shoot. I should not have taken that trade short. All right. 1, pullback. 2, pause. 3. Yeah, it's not as bearish as I'd like. So I'm going to get out on the next push. I thought it was a wedge top forming, but it's actually a wedge bottom. And it's actually what I was thinking, that we will test previous day low. So maybe what I will do is I will put my, let's just leave it here. I could have sold this, but I don't want to do that. I'm going for 10 points, right? I don't want to do that. It's not how I want to trade. I don't want to manage. I want to manage my risk properly. Could have sold below 4 with a limit order, because you can see that's what they did. But we're not. We're getting two-sided trading, and of course I should have anticipated that when I saw these two bull bars. See, didn't think this through. Did not think it through. Okay, so we're gonna get out soon because it's gonna come back down. We have a pullback already, so one leg pullback, second leg pullback, and then third leg will be a wedge. So we should look for an exit. So what I'm gonna do is, where is a good place to exit? Now this is where I need to concentrate. There's a breakout area. Oh no, it's not where we reversed. Yes. So where's the next breakout area? Maybe this level here. All right. So let's put it for 10 points. Let's see if we can. I just did not think. Forgot about this. So many things I just didn't realize. Okay. One pullback, 2 pullback, 3. So we're gonna get one more leg up, are we? Damn. Sorry, I'm just beating myself up because I realized that I jumped in without thinking. Still need one more leg up. Still need to go above this. This is why it's a limit order market. Limit order market, you can't, using stop orders, you're gonna lose money because you end up selling at the bottom of a trading range instead of selling at the top. And that's literally what I just did. I sold at the bottom. Because now looking at it, you realize this is the trading range and this is the bottom. Did not think. Did not think. Rookie error. Don't be selling at the bottom of trading ranges. Okay. I'm gonna. Let me see. I just don't want to take a loss. Like an unnecessary loss, you know? Should I just reverse this to long? Because now I prefer to be long than short. Just take the loss and then move on. Oh, okay. Just take the loss, move on. But we need to get above. I'm trying to see what happens. We need to get above this, and then let's see what happens. We have a minor reversal. Just stay calm, bro. All right, so 1, 2, possible wedge top here. Ah, God, I want to sell it too. I really do. But then I think I'll be doing dumb things if I did that. Actually, it's not dumb. Let's think about it. I have a leg down, a leg down. Damn it.
Order filled.
And of course, I did it at the freaking same price. Alright, let's get out. It's not what we want to do. Let's just get out. That was a bad trade. Because now it's going to come up, and then you're going to go, didn't want to do that, did you? No. Okay. Stop. It's not what
Order
I want.
filled.
It's not what I want. It'll probably get down there, but it's not what I want. I don't like the trade anymore. It'll probably get down here, but it's not what I want. So let's. I'm gonna buy instead of sell. And it's probably gonna work out, but I've already started trading badly, and I'm like, And it'll probably get to the target, but it's not what I want. I'm realizing the trade here was bad. And yeah, let's move on. And I'm also getting into a state where I care too much and I'm not thinking straight. So whenever I start thinking like that and I start taking trades, it means I need to stop that and just get out, think properly. So we're going to be a bull now, and we'll go for 20 points the other way. Yeah. He went long? Yeah, cool. Use a wide stop. I don't like using this chart because it confuses me. It makes me, 1, 2, yeah. It makes me do things I don't want to do. So He went long here. I don't think his long is a bad idea, but I think that we're gonna go sideways. So I'm just gonna wait. Too much. Tom is going surfing. Nice. Let me take a screenshot to share these guys so I show them what I'm seeing. Yeah, I just did not like what I did. Like I said, when I was short here, um, I realized that it was just not the trade I wanted, and I don't want to get emotional. And guess what? It might break out and hit the target, and then it might even go lower. And I'm like, ah, there we go. But then that is good because that's more information. Low risk, long, I suppose. Low risk equals low probability. Watch it go. So tempted to check my P&L, but I'm not going to do that. Only because it's just going to make me stop trading my P&L. There we go. I did want to target this as my exit. We're trying to get previous day low. Yep. I think I said that. There we go. Oh man, that would have been a nice. My day would have been done. All right, so we got the wedge.
'Order submitted.
Oh, come on. Just stay there. Don't move too much. Just stay there. If you start moving too much, it just. Ugh. I mean, increase my probability, but I don't want to tail above it. If you move up, just stay there. Don't, because I don't want. Excuse me. Okay, this is looking good. Oh, 1 minute is a long time. And in 1 minute, in the last minute, we could get all this buying. So I just need to chill. Oh, damn, it's going up. Just relax, just chill. Don't go too high. Well, I'll use the tick charts entry. $30. Now, why am I not just buying it? Because I need to see for 5 minutes that the bulls have strength. Oh no, no. Okay, now they're forming a tail. I don't like that. But it's on the moving average, so it should be fine. Crap. I can't buy that. I can't buy that. Shit. I'll buy it. But as a tail, dude. Uh, Alright. Am I having FOMO? Can I manage this trade? Yes, I can. That signal bar isn't good. Jid, so why are you putting your order above it? Because the trading range. Signal bars are never great. Okay.
Order filled.
But then doesn't that mean also if we reject the 9? Oh, there we go. Just break the damn 9. You've been holding it all morning, right? Give it a break. I also have a problem, and it has to do with the fact that, again, oops, we haven't tested this low, but we've been going sideways like this. I'm gonna hide this. This is distracting. We haven't tested the 20. And we haven't tested the 20 yet this morning, so we could sell at the 20. This is why I don't mind putting my stop a bit lower, because I don't mind buying again. You know what? Let's do that. Let's put a stop here. Because if, say, for instance, now we pull back, I know we're going to find some more buyers here, and I don't mind doing that. I'm actually comfortable with that. Let's see what happens when we get to the 20. And it's good that my exit is at the close, so we probably will get some, whatchamacallit. I'm very cautious until we test that, until we break the 20, because there could be some sellers there. It's a good close. Usually, the first test of a trend line requires that you go lower, but if we have a head and shoulders, then it means this is probably going to get above here. So I asked the question, why am I trying to get out here? Because that's the plan, trying to stick to the plan. You know, the old adage, stick to the plan. Let's make sure we have this 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. We have two bull bars, one closing on its high, but hasn't broke the 20 yet. I took profits. I'm treating it as a trading range. It's till it's not. So taking quick profits could break up. If it's a TR indeed, it should break the 20. Otherwise, it's still a bear channel. Yeah, basically the bears would try and get another leg down, because they're using the moving average as their level of resistance. Just like here, we are using the moving average as support, and that's why I'm saying until we break the 20 and basically start getting, like, we get rid of this high, we're still in a bear trend, because we're making lower highs and lower lows. We need to get rid of this high, and we need to show that they can't use this as resistance anymore. So that's how I read the chart. I look at it based on, if we keep holding the 20 and we make new low, keep holding the 20 here, we make a new high, hold it, make a new, try and make a new high. But here they're so disappointed, they gave up on a third attempt, and then we now came down. But what's interesting is we never tested this low, and some bulls know that, so they're gonna wait till we get down here. If we get a bear bar, that could be a nice bear signal, sorry, a sell signal, in which case we could go lower. And if that's the case, that just kind of screws everything up. But one just has to be patient. Yeah, we're getting a bear bar. We just have to wait. And that's why I have a wider stop, only because there's a chance that, but then does it make sense? Just think. Does it make sense to just take your profits and then catch the next? But then I don't want to be scalping the entire day. It's a wedge. We should go higher. But not all wedges work. Some wedges fail. And when wedges fail, we're going lower. Let's see. Let's set the right location for your stop. I don't think we'll go that far down though. Why? Because of how big those bull bars are. It's different if the bars were small, like they were like this. But the bulls are getting, like, they're making money, so I don't know why they would let it go so far down. But if they let it get this far down, then they should buy it, right? What's Patrick showing me now? Alright, Discord is distracting me. Yeah, it's a trading range day. And then also, if we do break, we should go measured move the other way. Yeah, it's a sell signal. They triggered a lower high double top, lower high sell here. So some bears will sell this because they're confident that they will get a new low, and some bulls would clearly. Some bulls don't. Let's see. One leg pull back, second leg. We could get, yeah, we could get another low because I realized maybe this is one leg pull back, second leg pull back, and then third leg. So we could get another low. And if that's the case, I'll just buy lower. Let's see if the bears get a disappointing bar. We have 3 minutes 40 something seconds to wait for that. I got out long and short of the signal bar. Huh? Why? I don't know. I wouldn't. I mean, I think he's confused. That's why he's changing direction. I've done that many times where I'm long, then I'm short, and I'm just like, just stick to one direction. Because if you start changing direction so much, you can't manage your positions. I got out cause a rejection of the 20. We may take it back. I'm not sure. Yeah, yeah, exactly. If you focus so much on the money, you don't focus on your management. Yeah, fair enough. We may make a new low, but you can, as long as you can manage the trade, which is, and I'm okay with us coming down and buying again. But if you're focused so much on the money and getting in and out, and then this goes up, then you're like, shit, I made a mistake, and then you start making bad decisions. I spooked him to get back in. I'm too spooked to get back in. Oh shoot. I picked up the wrong cup. This is a long video, isn't it? So far I've recorded how long now? 1 hour, 4 minutes. I don't know. I want to hear, if anyone is watching this, if you can leave a comment and tell me if the video is too long, I would shorten it. All right, there we go. I've told Justin, always move your stop to break even. If ever you're not sure, just move it to break even. It's going to be one of those days like this. We'll probably spend a long time before we get to our target. And what concerns me now is I have to walk out at 11. Okay, we're not breaking the 20. Okay, so we got a bull bar. That's disappointing for the Bears. I'm finding this very hard to read. Still looking like a TR. It is a TR. It is a TR. But it's a bare leg in a TR. Remember, 2 legs down, 2 legs up. Um, I don't know. I wonder if I can record at the same time I get on a Discord call. Because I like to talk to the guys in the Discord chat room normally. What's that, Rihanna? What, Rihanna? Very sideways. Yep. Oops. Okay, so what's happened now? We've done one push up. Now we've made a pullback. We're going for a second push. How far will this push go? TLPB, trend line break. Wait. What does TL two-legged pullback work nicely? Ah, nice. This is your market. You love this sort of thing. It works perfectly. Oh, come on. Perfectly for scalpers. If you're a trend, Jid, you're a trend trader, like, you'll hate this ish. Kevin's so cool. I took like 3 losses. Oh man. We break the 20, yeah. This is my trade so they can see. Oh, come on. Just gave back 2 days worth of profits. That's about it. Glad I didn't buy my wife a Birkin. Although I wasn't. Oh, come on. Too sure. I can't spell today. About the signal bar. All right. We're officially not on a bear trend. right, so we have a wedge 1, 2, 3. We could pull back here. It's a double top. Wedge top 8, 11, and 13. Yeah, the bulls are not as strong as we'd like, so this isn't good because that tells me we could probably still come lower. Ah, damn. Damn. Ugh. Remember, like I said, the fact that we haven't tested this and we're not breaking out. Okay, so we have one push, a pullback, second push, even though this is a wedge, but I'd like 3 pushes. We haven't got an exact pullback, so there's a pause. Sometimes when we're trying to break, I mean, we have so much selling here, so I expect a bear buy here. We'll probably get down to 50%. But if we hold the MA, then that could be really good. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I was gonna, let me just do that. Doom, 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 doom. I still think we may get one pullback, two, because this is not looking like very bullish. Oh, oh gosh. Okay, let's look at the other time frames. 15 minute, we have a double top. Come on, behave. 1 hour still has 48 minutes to close that bar. Doji, so usually it's a pullback. Because this could just be a pullback on a higher time frame. Like, what is going on? Why am I? Where'd that come from? Oh, yeah. This isn't doing what I want. Yeah, we're going lower. So minor reversal. See, it's a trading range. This again my issue. Buying at the, yeah, we're not going very much higher. We're not going up very much. All right. So the fact that the bears got this means that we're probably going to get one final push, and then a lot of sellers will pile in. I look at that as a signal to everybody, hey, you want to get in on the next push up. So, and the bulls sometimes see that and they're like, maybe we need to get out. It's like this action means that this action happens. So, if we get up here, we should get a whole bunch of sellers. So, therefore, I need to start looking for an exit. This trade is not working out. I thought we would go up after this wedge, but instead, this is a pullback. This is one and a pullback, and probably going to get. I don't want to be a bear. I don't want to take trades here, so I'm going to have to wait for this. Sometimes this happens. I spend the whole day. Should probably be trading two contracts instead of one because it's gotten to 10 points and I would have been done. But I don't want to do that. Not now because I don't know if I have the time to manage 10 contracts. I'm sorry, not 10 contracts, two contracts. Damn. But I don't mind this coming down. I'm buying two up. This is the middle of the zone, middle of the range. We didn't test the low, so I remember what I said. I think the price needs to come down here, and since we haven't done so, I think this is just a pullback, and we want to go lower. Yeah, we're going lower. Ah. Oh, why do I always have? This is what I hate about trading sometimes. When I don't have the whole day to trade, or when I can't, it just makes my trading poor because I can't sit down here and just. I'm a bit disappointed. Oh man, damn, damn. Yeah, take your profits quick, they say. Hmm. Sorry, I'm just disappointed that I can't. I have to leave soon, and I was hoping we would, you know, and this is something I need to sort out every time. I always have to go whenever I'm. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just in a funny emotional state, and I think I'm worried now that if I'm in an emotional state, I shouldn't be trading. Not emotional because of trading, but emotional because I'm disappointed about a situation that's making me, Anyway, so where would you add or just stop out? Um, I would add if I see a breakout. I'd stop out if I'd see a breakout. I should have added. Yeah, basically he's asking if I was going to add, where would I add? If we got a breakout and I thought that we were going to trend, I would add. But in a trading range, I tend not to add. So if it's essentially, if I was going to add again, I would add, say, below here. As long as we're far away from the MA, I would add. Because the price doesn't like being too far from the moving average. So, but if we have a breakout, so like this is a breakout, if we have this, I probably will not add. I'll probably just get out. But if we get like, you know, um, maybe like this below the M8, I would add. But this is trying to make a new low, and therefore um, it might be a breakout. Let's see how this bar closes. This is one of those days. The thing is, I'm not. Okay, there we go. We have a bull bar, but it's not a very strong one. 5 minutes is a long time. All right, I need to read this properly. I'm distracted. I need this back to how it was because I can't see what's to the left. Um, I need to really think because now I'm. Let's take this off. Come on. Right. So what is going on? First leg down, a pullback. One pullback. Might be making another leg down. So where I bought is a bad. I should not buy here. This is the place to buy because this is the range. Okay. Now are we? Why is it we're struggling here? What's going on? We had a breakout test here, so there was support there. We've wedged down here. We've come up. We've tried to break out. We failed. And now we're coming back down. Okay, let's look at a much bigger time frame. Oh, damn it. What's wrong with this thing? Alright, so we have a bull leg here. And it only got this far. And then I don't know why Ninja Trader is doing this. Don't get it. We have one leg, but we haven't pulled back. Instead, we're going sideways. So chances are we should get a second leg up. So maybe this is a pullback. So this is the first leg up, a nice wedge here, a pullback, a wedge bottom. So this is the first leg up, a pullback. We should go for a second leg up, right? And therefore we should get to this high. What high is this? The previous day's high. So it should be an okay trade. Yeah, it should be fine. All right, I think I'm okay now. I was just really confused. Like, what is going on? What is the price? Of course, a trading range, but of course, it's a trading range. Things are confusing in a trading range, but there is logic to what the price is trying to do. Um, okay, okay, so things are beginning to make sense again. I don't think that other chart is what I need. But I do want to talk to my colleagues. I don't think I'm going to be doing these recordings anymore because I am finding myself too distracted. All right, so we've held 50%. We have a nice pullback here. So it could be a head and shoulders. My Apple Watch is beginning to piss me off now. Can't you just draw? So I just said to the guys, it could be a head and shoulders bottom. And the only reason why I'm saying this is just because of the analysis I've done looking at what's going on over here. Because I'm asking myself, is this leg complete? Because if this is a wedge, this is a leg up, a pullback. I mean, it could still make a second leg down. But it's just the fact that we've not gone above the 20. That's always my issue. Whenever I'm in a trading range and we don't go past the 20, I start getting annoyed because I'm like, oh gosh, that means I'm gonna, the 20 they're still using as resistance, and I hate being in trades whenever we're holding the 20. How big is this range? 22 points. Oh boy. It's in breakout mode. That's what I've been saying. Thought we were in a bloody TTR. Yeah, you're right. I hate TTRs because it's so easy to lose money. I only noticed like a while. Ah, we rejected the 20 again. What the hell? So that's gonna form another leg down. I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna get out of this trade and just wait. The only reason why, because I don't have time. Anyway, let's wait for this bar to close, then I'll decide what I'm gonna do. We kissed Globex low. Yeah, we did. But the Globex low, Globex range is not. It's a very small Globex range. So there is a chance, if I'm going to use statistics, there's a chance that we will not touch this. We usually only touch one. I mean, on narrow ranges, yes, we touch both usually. But this is not. This looks like one of those. We need to break the 20. We really do. Otherwise, I'm just going to give up. Yeah, we're not breaking the 20. We're not. All right, let's get out. We're not breaking the 20. I'm out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna stop recording. Yeah, because I think this thing is not going any higher. And then maybe later I might, stop.